Hi, let's make some cream cheese bread. Come close. So here are all the items. I'm going to put the list of these items in the description below. So I'm just going to dive into it. I'll first of all take measurement of my flour. I'm using scale to measure because it's easy for me. So I just note the quantity of each one. So while the the bowl is still on the scale, I just start adding everything. Thereafter, I mix, and here is it. You must have this kind of texture. When you draw it or when you pull it apart, you see it's stretchy, right? That's how it should be. I kept it for about 30 minutes, and here is it, stretchy. So I just roll it out. Thereafter, I just started rolling it like this, or will I say folding. I was folding it till it get to the end. And I just have to pinch the edge. This was how my teacher taught me, so that it gives it the design. Thereafter, I just use a cutter to cut. I don't have the particular cutter she used, but I decided to use this, and it gave me the exact one. Also, I was not having a bread pan, and I thought of using a foil takeaway plate, and this is it, and it just was perfect. I was so excited. And after that, I brush it with my egg wash, and I'm just adding my sesame seed, and voila, here is it. Is it not amazing? Thank you so much, Hiro Basi. I'm so grateful to you for this wonderful recipe. I've learned new recipe. God bless you. Thank you. Here's my bread, so fluffy. I've never made the bread like this in my entire life. I'm so grateful. I'm happy. Thank